Hey guys, it's the Villaman here, and as you may know, I recently went out and got the Monolith 12-inch ported THX subwoofer because you guys are curious about it and I was curious about it. So in the spirit of curiosity, this is the movie demo. Stick around. Perfect. Hey guys, it's the Villaman here, and on this channel we bring you the tech of entertainment. So that's unboxings, demos, comparisons and tips on subwoofers like this and more to help you get the most out of them. So if you're into that and you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and come along for the ride. Alright, so if you haven't checked out my unboxing and overview video of the Monolith sub, then you should check it out in the card up there. So since I've had the sub, I have integrated it into my home theater and have been using it ever since. Now, the sub has 500 watts RMS and 900 watts peak power. Now in that time, I've been using it in extended mode, which has a frequency response of 18 Hz to 200 Hz, minus 60 dB. I found it interesting that Monoprice chose to use minus 60 dB because it isn't necessarily a measurement of flatness in response of the sub. It's more a measurement of output. So it's minus 60 dB from its optimal output level. Curious. But with that said, the frequency response, even though stated, will be different from room to room. So the frequency response in my room will certainly be different from the frequency response of the sub in your room. But since I have the means and certainly the will to do it, then you'll be hearing the demo of it in my room. Now, make sure to use as good a headphones as you can because the sound of it just won't be conveyed over computer speakers, for example. So if you have some good headphones, this is the time to put them in. Now, as you may imagine, I'll be using the same movies I've used in the previous demos I've done, like with the SVS PB3000. So, here we go.
I'm not sure if we're even on the air. This is a series of explosions.
First to the T.
First to the A. That's bike from Akira. It's a licensed skin over standard frame.
No, not the bike. Forget the bike. The girl. I think it's Artemis.
The Artemis? The Sixer Fixer?
I've seen all her walkthroughs, her Twitch streams. It's her. It's definitely her.
What was that?
Alright, so a few notes on my experience so far. First of all, the calibrated level of the sub using Odyssey X32 in my room had the gain set to 0. So if you were having a larger room, for example, you would have to have the gain probably in the positive territory. And of course, it's a manually controlled sub. It has a built-in DSP, but all the changes you want to make to the settings of the sub will have to be done on the back using all the knobs and switches. It's crazy back there. As far as the output and response of the sub is concerned, it sounded good. It sounded really good, but I think it was missing that level of like tactile bass response that I was expecting and that I'm used to actually. So even though it's good, it's not up to the levels of the higher end subs. It's unfortunate, but it's just the limit of physics. The driver is only so big and there's only so much power it has to work with. But for the price, oh, it certainly packs a punch. So stay tuned for my other demos of the sub, and if you guys want to see any specific comparisons, let me know in the comments and I will do my best to make it happen. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments about the sub. Are you considering getting it? Are you considering getting 2 of them perhaps? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video if you liked the video. And until next time, this has been your friend and neighborhood Villaman saying peace.